Stanley Fisher here from Stanley Fisher Creative and the Voice Acting Institute. I want to thank you for stopping by our website and checking out Creative Reboot. This designed to give you a little bit of frame up of what's happening and what we're doing and why we're doing it. Creative Reboot is a 6-hour workshop that is a scaled down version to a 1-week retreat that we're creating that will be live, I think, in 2027. I sat with friends of mine in the entertainment industry, and I've been doing this for quite a while now, for over 2 decades. I was a creative director who was creating a bunch of commercials for companies like iHeartMedia and brands like Papa John's. And the pandemic sent my life in a little bit different direction, and we rolled out these new brands and new companies. And I wanted to have events that served our community of artists. And Creative Reboot is the first of many workshops that we're going to be bringing to multiple cities across the US. And when I talk to friends of mine, creative directors, writers, photographers, actors, everyone's kind of feeling the same way. Everybody's a little burned out and frustrated. And what we wanted to do was serve the entertainment industry and the people in it by having an opportunity to reset the vision, reset your focus, find a new realignment to who you are, kind of a rebrand, or at least the beginning of a rebrand. And Creative Reboot is exactly that. It's an opportunity to come in and talk about your reservations and grievances with the way the world is and how you feel about things, and walking out with a fresh new perspective. So if that interests you, we encourage you to check out the website and read more about it. And if you're somebody that wants to get involved as a sponsor, we have sponsorship opportunities, and we also have corporate discounts. So if you want to bring a group of people in here, your company's suffering, whether you're an ad agency, production house, or anybody that's owning a business that gets involved with the entertainment industry, which can really open up to just about anybody, we're here to serve you and to serve your perspective so that you can walk out feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and have an opportunity to reboot where you're at. Because let's face it, the world has been weird. It's been hard. Government issues, tariffs, our economy, people being murdered, kids being shot. It's a lot sometimes, and it can really hook our focus. For me, it was my mother passing away this last year. Even I need a reset. And so that's what this is all about. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. All the information's here on the page, and you can find me at stanley@thevoiceactinginstitute.com. Feel free to reach out anytime. We hope that this serves you, and take care.